Hi friends, welcome to Relax and Confident. In our channel, today we will talk about a herbal steam inhalation to get relief from common cold, cough, nasal congestion, headache and also from coronavirus infection. For this herbal steam inhalation, we need the following things. First one is neem tree leaves. We want 1 handful of neem tree leaves and then 1 handful of Indian holy basil leaves or tulsi leaves. One spoon turmeric powder, 4 to 5 ajwain leaves known as Karpuravalli or Omavalli in Tamil, also called as Mexican mint, and then half liter water in a wide open vessel. First we want to boil the water. After when the water getting boiling point, we want to add the above said medicinal herbs and keep it in slow flame for 5 minutes. In this whole process, we want to keep the pan in closed state only. Bring that herbal hot water into a free space in our house. Take a hard, strong bedsheet or towel. With that, cover our body fully. Keep that hot water bowl inside the bedsheet. With closed lid, we want to keep the hot water bowl. Keep in mind, don't touch the hot bowl without a cloth. After fully covered the bowl and our body with the bedspread, open the bowl's lid with a cloth. Close your eyes and inhale deeply that hot herbal steam. Keep some distance between your face and bowl because it is so hot. Like this, we want to inhale and exhale for 5 or 10 minutes. More than 10 minutes, no need. We want to do this process only for 10 minutes. During this process, you can get sweating in your face. So keep a towel with you to clean that. By this, you can kill the germs in your breathing path and lungs. So immediately you can get relief from cold, headache and all cold related problems. In the above said herbs, if we can't get or missed anyone, that is no problem. What the things we have, we can use that. In this we can use eucalyptus oil also. If we can't get any of the above said herbs, then we can use only turmeric powder also. So use the above said herbal steam inhalation and get relief from your cold, cough and the present COVID-19 problem also we can clear with this. Thank you. Please subscribe, watch and share your friends.